also said he looks younger. So he looks younger.
He looks young, and यहाँ आप बोल सकते हैं he looks younger than his age.
Okay, ma'am.
जो
Yes.
उनकी एज है उससे यंगर लगते हैं. That is very active, energetic.
It's a comparative.
है
He
ना?
looks younger than his older brother.
हाँ,
younger.
ऐसे कर सकते हैं कि than his younger brother. He looks younger than his younger brother. ठीक है?
Thank you. Yes, ma'am.
बोल सकते हो ऐसे. तो आपने describe नहीं करा, describe जरूर करा करो. ठीक है? Okay, then I'll give this cue card.
मैडम ये हम एग्जाम आप कर सकते हैं ना. नो वन मोर मुझे हु इज वेरी एनर्जेटिक.
क्या?
मैं एनर्जेटिक पर्सन हम आपके एग्जाम ले सकते हैं ना कि ऑप्शन भी हो दैट शी इज एनर्जेटिक.
He is very energetic. Yes.
रियल एग्जांपल अब सोची किसका लिए तो आपकी याद है.
फिर आगे क्या बोलेंगे वो आप मेरे को आप ऐसे तो जानते नहीं ना. आप तो कहानियां ही
नहीं
के लिए भी बना
अब ये
लो.
बोले she gave her 4 o'clock and then she check all their reading material, then she takes the kids in the morning and she do household work. After that she to spend time with.
परम परविंदर she does है. आज आपकी आवाज में ना डिस्टरबेंस आ रही है.
Okay.
Excuse me,
थोड़ा
ma'am.
अभी ठीक बोला आपने, जो दूर से शायद बोला. ओके, तो थोड़ा वॉल्यूम शायद. हाँ जी आरिफ ने बोला. हाँ जी
मैम दिलप्रीत मैम, अगर मैम लाइक 29 का अप्रैल का एग्जाम लेते हैं तो स्पीकिंग डेट मई में आती है, तो क्यू कार्ड चेंज होंगे या मई वाले अप्रैल वाले आएंगे?
अभी तक तो वही रहे हैं जो अप्रैल की डेट्स तक वही रहे हैं.
ओके, अगर मैम एग्जाम अप्रैल को हो तो स्पीकिंग डेट मई में आए.
मेरे को समझ आ गया आपका क्वेश्चन.
ओके मैम.
मेरे को समझ आ गया. मैं उसी का जवाब दे रही हूँ कि अभी तक तो अप्रैल की डेट्स के स्पीकिंग भी अप्रैल के उसमें से ही आती है. ओके
ओके थैंक यू मैम.
हाँ जी
मैम, आई वांट टू स्पीक.
ओके प्रकाश. ओके, सो यू विल स्पीक ऑन अ डिस्क्राइब अ पोलाइट पर्सन यू नो. ओके
मैम आपके साथ कौन है?
सिस्टर.
ओके हाय.
तो पोलाइट पर्सन डिस्क्राइब करो. चलो प्रकाश.
मैम, कैन आई टेक 1 मिनट?
ओके, टेक 1 मिनट टिल वी चैट. ओके, सो आप मुझे बताओ कि कोई एनी क्वेरीज और एनीथिंग लाइक दैट. कोई क्वेश्चंस है आपके?
मैम जैसे आपने ही इज अ एनर्जेटिक पर्सन कहा तो
एन एनर्जेटिक पर्सन.
ओके मैम, ठीक है मैम.
आपने कुछ और बोला था.
मैम मैंने तो ओके मैम मैं नहीं बोला था. मैंने शायद मैम बोलने में शायद होगा, मेरे माइंड में वही चल रहा था एनी.
हाँ, तो आपने एन ही इज एन के बाद कुछ ऐसा वर्ड साथ में बोल दिया था, तो वो
She spoke, she is and very.
आपने ही इज अ एनर्जेटिक बोला था. एन एनर्जेटिक आना था ना.
यस मैम, ठीक है.
हाँ, वो आना
ओके
मैम ही वर्क्स इन फार्म आएगा ना?
He is an agriculturist, you know, you can say he अच्छा farm का बात कर रहे हो. He is a farmer.
मैम ऐसे बोल सकते हैं, he is a farmer.
हाँ वही, he is a farmer.
अगर मैम वहाँ पर काम करते तो ही वर्क्स इन फार्म और ही वर्क्स एट फार्म.
He works at a
At
farm.
or in?
At a farm आएगा.
At a farm.
मनीषा नेक्स्ट आपने बोलना है. ठीक है, और आपका
कौन
क्यू
सा?
कार्ड आप मैं बता देती हूँ. Describe a program or app in your computer.
मैम बलजीत ने दस दो.
A mistake you have made.
ओके
मैम मुझे भी बोलना है. दीपाली.
Dipali, okay.
हाँ जी मैम.
A volunteering experience you have had. Okay. चलो अब ये 3 करते हैं, फिर देखते हैं.
Ma'am, shall I start?
Yes.
Yeah. There are many persons in my life whom I really admire, and they are very polite to me. And today I would like to talk about such a person in my life, and he's my senior in my company. And apart from his job, he is also helping others in making their life very easy. Just as his job is to do coding and to deliver such an experience to his client, but he's not only doing it. Hello.
Yeah, speak.
Yeah, but he's not only doing only this job. He's also helping his juniors to learn coding and to teach them the personality development and corporate culture, which is not a part of his job. but still he is doing it, and he is very polite in his way of teaching. And he's not only doing that only thing, but apart from that, he's also teaching this skills to others, which is really admiring. And for this task, he also got recognized as one of the youngest teacher in my company. And doing this task day-to-day basis is not an easy task for a working person. And being a polite person, he always used to make strategies to teach a particular skill very easily to his students. And he is also doing investing apart from this his job. And he's well-known investor in India. And he used to believe that he don't want to take his skill to his only, but he also wants to make others happy and others life easy. So so doing that is
Okay, Prakash, this is your 2 minutes. You've spoken 2 minutes. That's perfectly good. एक जगह आपने used to बोला. He used to.
yes.
ठीक है, तो उसमें आप कहना क्या चाहते हो कि अब नहीं करते वो strategies?
Ma'am, this is my permanent mistake. Actually, I want to tell कि he usually do this thing, but I
Usually he के साथ ना does आएगा. प्रकाश, he के साथ does. He usually does. He make. He used to नहीं आएगा. Used to means not anymore. Okay?
Okay.
और क्या? Very
admiring. एक जगह आपने बोला कि he does something which is very admiring. वो very admirable होगा, not very admiring.
हाँ, तो very admirable. Okay? And ऐसी छोटी सी और ज्यादा गलतियां नहीं थी. You spoke very well. प्रकाश, थोड़ी सी improvement से 7+ जाएंगे. अभी today I would rate it at 6.5. Okay? You went a full 2 minutes, which is not bad. Many person बोला शुरू में, many person ज्यादा था. अच्छा, एक बात बताओ, आपने उनको describe करा, उनकी age, उनकी height, describe a polite person. आप सब लोग आज ये गलती कर रहे हो. मैंने तभी आपको describing people वाला दिया है. पहले describe an energetic person आया, उसमें उन्होंने describe नहीं करा. अब आपने describe नहीं करा. ठीक है, तो आप ना ऐसे कुछ features करा करो describing people वाले. जैसे आप बोलो he's tall and handsome, या he is not tall but handsome, आप but लगा सकते हो. ठीक है, tall and handsome बोल सकते हो. फिर आप बोल सकते हो he has curly hair, ऐसे कुछ बोल सकते हो. Then you can say things like very physically fit. You can say very he's very particular about his daily exercise, daily workout. ऐसे बोल
He is in her early age, like early 15 or late 16, whatever.
age भी describe करनी. इस तरीके से नीता, अगर इस तरीके से एज बोलनी है ना, उसको अच्छे से सीख लेना. नहीं तो आप ऐसे he is in his early 50s, early 40s. इसका क्या मतलब है early 40s?
तो मतलब 41 ऐसे होता है. मैं
40, 41, 42. Mid 40s
और late
44, 45, 46.
late 50 मतलब
late 50s मतलब 57, 58, 59.
57, 59. Okay, ma'am.
ठीक है.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, कुछ synonyms use हो सकते हैं in place of polite, like benign or down to earth.
Down to earth कर लो. benign नहीं जच रहा बिल्कुल.
Okay.
Benign is a
Humble हो
harmless
जाएगा?
person. Benign is harmless person जो benign है जो. और अगर आपने polite के बारे में बोला ना,
Humble हो जाएगा मैम.
एक मिनट, मैं एक बार, आप जिसने बात करनी है अनम्यूट करो अपने आप को. जो आपने जहाँ पे बोला ना पोलाइट पर्सन का, वो टीचर हैं तो उनको आपकी कंपनी में, राइट, यही बोला था ना आपने? अच्छा, तो आप बोल सकते हो being polite, it is very difficult for him to manage all the students under him, trainees under him, but he does it very nicely. He knows when to be firm. He's very polite, yet he knows when to be firm. Okay, आप ये बोल सकते हो.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
हाँ, and all the students, all his students, all the trainees under him love him and want to obey him. He is that sort of a personality. ठीक है?
Yeah. Okay.
Just फिर और आप ऐसी चीजें बोल सकते हो, और अच्छा बोला आपने on the whole. Okay. So next student.
मैम मुझे क्वेश्चन था मैम वॉलंटियर थिंग में मतलब लाइक खुद से इनिशिएटिव करके जो कुछ किया होगा लाइफ में उस
वॉलंटियरिंग
बारे में बोलना
एक्सपीरियंस है,
है
बिना कुछ लिए आपने कुछ फ्री में करा, वॉलंटियरिंग एक्सपीरियंस यू हैड। ओके,
फ्री में कुछ सोशल वर्क है कुछ
हाँ
ऐसे
सोशल
किया
वर्क करा ऐसे, हाँ ठीक है। हाँ जी,
ओके
नेक्स्ट
मैम
किसको बोलना था?
मैम कैन आई स्पीक?
आरिफ, अभी 2 जनों को टर्न दी हुई है। मिस्टेक किसने बोलना है? मिस्टेक यू हैव मेड
बलजीत मैम।
हाँ, आरिफ आपने बोलना है, उसके बाद एक और होएगा, उसके बाद यू हैव टू स्पीक ऑन अ लॉन्ग कार जर्नी यू वेंट ऑन। ओके
ओके ओके मैम।
चलो बलजीत आप शुरू कर दो।
When we learn from when we make any mistake, and here I would like to share my experience when I made a mistake. Last year I lost my phone and I had to buy a new phone. I had a few savings, and I requested my parents to please give me some money so that I can buy a new phone. Then my parents gave me money, and they asked me to buy a branded phone rather than a simple one. Because earlier I had a Chinese phone. When I visited the shop with my friends, then again I was attracted towards the Chinese phone rather than the branded one, and I bought this phone. And after some days I realized my phone was not working, and it restarted automatically. And I really felt very bad. And a few days then after that, when I visited the shop again for its repairing, then the shopkeeper completely denied this, because he told me that it was not under warranty and guarantee, and it was completely lost of money. And when I told this about my parents, first they felt sad, and then because they always earlier taught me to buy branded phone, but I ignored their idea.
ओके ओके ठीक है, आपने एक जगह मैंने नोट करी आपकी मिस्टेक जो बोला, इट रीस्टार्टेड ऑटोमेटिकली। अब आप कहना चाहते हो कि अपने आप बार बार रीस्टार्ट हो जाता था अपने आप, यही कहना चाहते हो ना?
हाँ जी, लाइक
यहाँ पे यूज्ड टू आएगा, यहाँ पे यूज्ड टू रीस्टार्ट ऑटोमेटिकली, है ना? बिना बात के, बस अब कभी भी देख लो रीस्टार्ट हो रहा है जी, ठीक है? तो वो गलती, वो इसमें थी, प्रॉब्लम थी फोन में। सो ठीक है, दिस इज अ मिस्टेक यू मेड। द मिस्टेक इज नॉट दैट यू बॉट अ चाइनीज फोन, ये बोलना द मिस्टेक आई मेड वाज दैट आई डिड नॉट लिसन टू माय पेरेंट्स हु हैव मोर एक्सपीरियंस, ठीक है? ये बोलना आई शुड हैव लिसन्ड टू देम बिकॉज दे हैव मोर एक्सपीरियंस, and I was very happy that I've bought a Chinese phone and saved money. Okay, so that was a mistake, because the branded one is always better, even if it is a bit costly. Even later on it saves you a lot of money at times. Okay, you may be lucky that a Chinese thing may turn out to be good, but most of the times these gadgets have problems. Okay, so like that you can say. अच्छा बोले उतना बलजीत, not bad.
मैम अगर सामने चाइनीज ही आ जाए तो इंटरव्यू लेने के लिए?
नहीं चाइनीज है नहीं, चाइनीज अभी तो स्पेशली इन द कोविड सिचुएशन आईडीपी और
पर यहाँ है, कनाडा में है मैम।
मैम यूके तो नहीं है कि इतने चाइनीज बहुत घट है।
So you can even say I bought a cheap phone rather than
Chinese मत बोलो,
Chinese मत बोलो। And also you use the word I took it to the shop for its repairing, for repair, or for repair, or for repairing it. Okay.
And then you said that finally I bought a Chinese phone, which is very good. Then you get a high score.
हाँ ये मत बोल, हाँ ये बोलना उसको कवर अप करने के लिए। नहीं आप cheap बोल दो, I bought a non-branded phone which did not have any known make and it did not carry any warranty or guarantee, ऐसे बोल दो, ना ही बोलो Chinese। There's no need to say.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because even the UK people will not recognize why she's saying Chinese, because Chinese तो ये Apple भी सारे Chinese ही बन के आते हैं.
पता है क्या, Chinese things which are sold in the US and Chinese things which are sold in India, they are totally different. Totally different.
Yes.
Okay. So made in China is not a symbol of a very poor quality thing. Made in China ऐसे नहीं है, तो आप सिंपल चीप फोन बोल देना.
चीपर फोन.
चीपर फोन. ओके, नेक्स्ट किसकी टर्न है? फटाफट बोलो.
मैम कितने के बैंड है?
Voluntary thing.
Not less than 6.5. It can go 7 if the examiner is fair, because you spoke quite a few things very well. Okay, and the story you made up is also very good. Okay, good. Next किसका है? बलजीत.
दीपाली मैम.
दीपाली. हाँ बोलो. Start करो.
Yes ma'am. Well, there are a plethora of things which I did voluntary, but the first thing which I done recently, and I remember very well, in Corona pandemic, two laborers who are staying in my
Dipali,
society.
1 minute. I am pausing you in between. Dipali, once you will have to start over again, because आपकी ना आवाज थोड़ी muffled आ रही है, या दूर से बोल रहे हो recorder से थोड़ा.
Okay, now it's better, ma'am.
Now it's better. Yes. Now start all over again. Okay. Yeah.
Sure, ma'am. Well, there are plethora of things which I have done voluntarily in my life, but recently, I have done one voluntary work in pandemic, this Corona pandemic. Two laborers who are staying in my society, they were not having any work, and due to no work, they're not having enough money to purchase some food as well. So there were like approx 15 to 20 people, and they were not having food, and they were not having enough money to purchase food. So I went personally in my society to every person, and I requested them, and even I informed them about the matter, and I convinced them about a few money or a food. I gave them an option. So I collected few money, like according to their wish. I requested them. So I collected approximately from 50 people, and I purchased, with that money I purchased a grocery, and I distributed amongst that laborers. And even I'm working in a Shramik special, like it's a train. So I helped them to shift from this place to their hometown, and I arranged them for both the morning and the evening food. And this was the thing which I done voluntarily. And apart from that, at least for 2 months, the whole society, like where I'm staying in Patna Town, we managed their food, accommodation, and the basic groceries whichever they're needing, like the milk, the tea, the rice, the flour, and all the vegetables. And we cooked them in our home, and we distributed them. We asked them to eat in our house. So that was the voluntary work which I had done recently.
Very nice. So mistakes.
Yeah, you use the word neighborers. Okay, there are two neighborers. There are two neighbors. Okay, the plural for neighbor would be neighbors. Okay, and then you bought a grocery. No, you bought groceries. Okay, you use the word a grocery, and then this was my voluntary work. No, this was the work that you volunteered for. Okay, nobody asked you to do it, but you volunteered to go door to door and collect money. Okay, that was good.
Otherwise, you spoke very well, Dipali. This was not bad.
Hi, Kiranpreet. Can I come in for a minute?
Yes, sure.
Okay. This student, when she started, she said plethora. Plethora is a little incorrect word here. Plethora, if I translate for them in Punjabi or Hindi, it is vadu. So innumerable, many. So it is a little incorrect word. Plethora is
plethora. Wैसे pronunciation में plethora. I also advise them not to use the word. It's
plethora. Yeah.
Okay. Voice was
so we should not use this word.
Ma'am, मेरे को भी topic दे दो.
Ma'am, we should not use this word, ma'am.
Plethora नहीं use करना चाहिए. Many, innumerable, various. वो better है words.
Okay.
हाँ plethora नहीं
Even
use
in writing also, ma'am.
हाँ
Because I
राइटिंग में
used
नहीं
to,
यूज
I
करो
mean, I'm
हाँ
using that.
करते थे बच्चे पर मैं अवॉइड करवाती हूँ वैसे मोस्टली ठीक है
अच्छा, okay,
प्लेथरा
okay. मैम कितना बार मिल सकता है मतलब
हाँ जी नेक्स्ट किसका है क्यू कार्ड नेक्स्ट किसका है नेक्स्ट नहीं है ना किसी का आरिफ आपका कहाँ है आप कहाँ हो आरिफ
Yeah, ma'am.
हाँ बोलना है कि नहीं बोलना
Okay, ma'am. Okay,
हाँ
ma'am.
आपने
I
क्यों
was
मांगा है?
I
हाँ
was checking the sub questions. I don't remember the sub questions.
तो सब क्वेश्चंस की जरूरत नहीं होती व्हाट वेयर व्हेन व्हाई हाउ ऑल द 5 W's चलो
Okay.
स्टार्ट करो हाँ
मैडम मुझे
Okay.
भी एक टॉपिक दे दो प्लीज.
अभी नहीं अभी मैं फॉलो अप सुनूंगी आप सबसे सुनूंगी अभी इनको ये ऐसे टाइम वेस्ट करते हैं ना बच्चे अब टाइम दिया हुआ है इनको क्यू कार्ड दिया हुआ है अब टाइम क्यों वेस्ट कर रहे हो फटाफट बोलना शुरू करो ठीक है चलो हाँ
Okay. Ma'am, I had many trips in my life. Here I would like to mention, like to talk about a trip which I had 2 months before. When my friends came to visit me from London. It was a all India trip. It was started from my hometown, Kanyakumari, to Kashmir. It was a 30 days trip. It was we started this journey with our car, and during the time of our journey we had so much fun. We had visited so many places, so many local foods. While our journey we had some bad experiences also during our journey. Our car has breakdown several times. One of my friend is very good in repairing cars. Because of him we had escaped so many incidents. Okay, ma'am, I was a bit nervous.
No, you don't need to be nervous. You spoke pretty well, whatever you spoke. Okay?
Yeah.
Yes. You can continue if you want any 2-3 more sentences.
No, I just blanked my.
Okay. It's okay. It's okay. You spoke well. Okay?
Okay.
आरिफ अच्छा मैं आपसे पूछती हूँ मैं बोलती हूँ गुड एट बोलते हैं गुड एट स्टडीज गुड एट मैथ्स गुड एट इंग्लिश पर इन्होंने बोला है गुड इन रिपेयरिंग आप बता सकते हो गुड इन रिपेयरिंग गुड एट नहीं गुड इन नहीं आना है यहाँ पे गुड इन नहीं आना है गुड एट उसके बाद नाउन गुड इन उसके बाद वर्ब सो ये मैंने पहले मैं करेक्ट करने लगी थी देन आई रियलाइज दैट ही स्पोकन करेक्टली गुड इन रिपेयरिंग वर्क रिपेयरिंग इज अ वर्ब ओके so verb से पहले in आएगा and otherwise it is at good at studies good at maths good at English okay so like that it is so this is just to tell others like at most places we say good at and when it is followed by a noun and then good in when it is followed by a verb right and or galtiyan we had visited when you are specifying the time we visited a lot of places on the way not had visited okay you are specifying time that when you were on that trip your time has been specified so it will not be past perfect tense it will be simple past tense no had in it
we visited we simply say
we visited okay then the journey was started from my hometown in Kanyakumari was started are two past tense verbs okay the journey started
no was
over here okay or
you said I had many trips when you started to speak about your trip. You made many trips or you have
had many trips.
Yeah.
You have had many trips or you have made many trips. Yes.
Right? And
made is the correct, right?
Yeah. So, and also you said we started the trip with our car.
With our car is wrong.
No, yeah. You started and this was like a car trip or, you know, we made the trip in our car. And during, you said while our journey. No, it's
Hmm.
during our journey.
Okay.
Hmm.
So
Okay.
Anupam, you are needed now for more feedback.
Yeah. No, I just the had mistake was like twice or thrice.
Yes.
So he needs to had is only used when you're comparing. It is double past of past. As we reached the station when the train had already left. So means you reached the station. Before that, what happened?
Okay.
So it was a 2 day trip. It had started. Then you can use it.
Okay.
So and so place. Na?
So, so Arif, today all the students here today, it's not just me teaching you. My sister Anupam is like my younger sister.
Okay.
Now my sister-in-law, we are all there for you today.
Okay.
Yeah.
Very
Ma'am,
nice.
I have one
And
question.
you
With our car,
yeah,
with our car, he said, so instead of that, what we can use, ma'am?
buy our car.
in our
In our car.
In
By
our
our car.
we
With
traveled.
is wrong.
In our
We
car.
made the
Okay.
trip in our car.
Okay.
Four-wheeler is always in bus,
Okay.
in car.
In car.
Okay.
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 ma'am.
Two-wheelers can be on a scooter, on a motorcycle ride. Huh? So four-wheeler is most of the times in a car, in a bus, in a train. Okay.
Okay.
And Anupam will be conducting the reading class for a few days for you. Okay. After
Oh,
this
okay.
class.
Okay. So I can use via.
Via nahi.
Yeah.
And
So
Bye.
Bye.
why? By car. By. Oh,
Via
okay.
car, he means.
Via car. Via.
Via a car.
That
yeah.
is via. Pronunciation is via.
Yeah.
Okay.
The
Via,
American
okay.
American is via, Hana? So
Okay.
Okay. So next, we are done with the cue cards, or I have given any cue card to somebody else. Okay, cue cards. Okay, now Prakash, you.
Can I do one cue card, please?
Parminder, you can answer the follow-up question. Okay.
Okay.
What qualities are required for being a volunteer? Yes, Parminder.
Well, in my opinion, a volunteer should be polite, kind-hearted, and very helpful. He should be extrovert towards to every person, and I believe that a volunteer work is the work which comes from inside of a person rather than forcing him. So a person who really wants to help other people, only he or she can do the voluntary work.
एक जगह कुछ गलत बोलना है ना? Second line. He should be an extrovert. वो क्या बोला आपने?
एक्स्ट्रा मतलब कि
हाँ नहीं वो मुझे पता है मीनिंग. आपने पूरी लाइन क्या बोली थी? He should be extrovert towards the elderly people. कुछ ऐसे.
towards others, towards every person.
ऐसे towards others आना ही नहीं चाहिए.
नहीं हाँ ठीक है towards सिर्फ नहीं आना
He
चाहिए.
should be an extrovert.
Extrovert,
No,
yes.
that is the full sentence.
हाँ.
He should be an
Yes, yes,
extrovert.
yes.
Extrovert is a person.
मुझे उसी समय रियलाइज हो गया था पर
हाँ.
समझ गई थी मैं गलती कर रही हूँ.
What type of personality does a volunteer have? Yes, Parminder. What type of personality does a volunteer have?
Well,
what type of personality should a volunteer have? This is the same question actually.
Yes, मैं वही सोच रही हूँ कि क्या बोलूँ.
It's the same question. Acha, see, many times students come and tell me, ma'am, the examiner was asking me the same question in different wording again and again. So what? Don't get perturbed. Just keep on answering the same answer again and again in different words. Okay.
So in this question, you could say that it also depends on what kind of a volunteer work is needed out of the person. So
Okay.
yeah, so then it depends on what qualities he can have for that volunteer work.
Yeah. How can companies engaging in volunteering help our society?
Well, there are many methods available nowadays for a companies to help a volunteer. Companies can use their a particular amount of income towards the weaker section of the society. Also, they can help the poor people who are uneducated by giving them scholarships. Apart from this, there are many NGOs and voluntary organizations in the society by which they can send their employees to spend some time towards the uneducated or poor people by giving them education.
Okay. ठीक है.
मैम
Yes.
मैम इसमें कुछ एग्जांपल मेंशन कर सकते हैं वॉलंटरी वर्क में, जैसे इन्होंने जो क्वेश्चन का आंसर दिया है इसमें कुछ एग्जांपल मेंशन करना हो, जैसे किसी कंपनी का नाम और उन्होंने जो फंडिंग्स करी हो.
हाँ बिल्कुल कर सकते हो. That would be very nice. And in fact, follow-up questions to go lengthy, you can add examples. They'll sound natural also.
The
Okay.
companies
Like Procter and Gamble.
funds
Yes, yes.
for
आपने ना
volunteers.
परमिंदर मेरे को जहाँ पे आपका वीक लगा ना आंसर, आपने बोलोगे many method, many
Many
many के बाद आप सिंगुलर बोल देते हो ना.
Many
हाँ
methods.
हाँ देखो ये गलतियां जो हैं ये मतलब these are not pardonable.
Yes.
Okay, and these are mistakes which you must and can avoid. Okay, ये
Yes,
नहीं
ma'am.
कर सकते हो आप. आंसर आप 8 बैंड वाला 9 बैंड वाला दे दो और ऐसी छोटी छोटी गलतियां हो जाए तो गड़बड़ हो जाती है. Okay.
Excuse me,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, जैसे ये जो last question था, can we say that there could be various kind of what we were talking about volunteer works like gardening, planting, or providing some basic essentials where they are needed.
बिल्कुल
ऐसा कुछ बोल सकते हैं?
हाँ बिल्कुल. Volunteer work can be of many types. You can say anybody. You see na, you teach the children of your maid who comes to your house
Yes.
for cleaning,
Yes.
and you don't take anything. That is a volunteer work. You go in a hospital and do things.
Yes.
It's a volunteer
Yes,
work.
for elderly people.
Yes. The naughty is going to
Okay.
say hello to you. He's
And ma'am, providing some services to I think on religious places, is that volunteer too?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes, you
thank
volunteer in
you.
the Gurdwara or somewhere you wash
Yes.
utensils and that is also volunteer
Yes.
work. Yes.
Yes,
Any
yes.
work which you
Okay.
do without expecting any remuneration is volunteer work. Okay.
And
That
the
is-
most
Yes, ma'am.
important thing a company can do is allocate funds and a department to hold voluntary work, okay, and voluntary activities.
So every company is earning in their own way. They can allocate some part of their profit margin to for volunteer work. Volunteer. And they can send
Right, ma'am.
people to do the work. That is. How do you think people nowadays should participate more in volunteering?
Yes, definitely. I think that people should participate more in voluntary work because nowadays people are living a sedentary life. They are just sitting in front of computers and mobile phones, even if they are free. So by doing voluntary work, they can actually help the society to get to improved, and also by this they are actually making their life better, because by sitting in front of mobile phone and computer, they actually actually inviting some problems for themselves, like obesity or heart problem. So
life better में आप इसको ऐसे expand कर सकते थे, because when a person helps other, it gives him internal happiness.
Happiness, yes.
And that
Yes.
happy feeling within you makes your life
Yes.
better.
Better, yes.
Ma'am,
Otherwise,
question repeat करोगे?
Yes. Question was, do you think people nowadays should participate more in volunteering? Okay. How do modern technologies assist volunteers and volunteering experiences?
Well, modern technology plays a very important role in helping volunteers, because nowadays the online system is actually helping many people and organizations to help the poor people. By using the online transaction, one can actually transfer the money to the people who are living far away. For example, the recent case of farmers, many international money has been transferred to the farmer people who are living from America and Canada. They are actually helping farmers in a very good way. So I think these advanced technology actually proves a boom for needy people.
आपने बोला these advanced technology आना चाहिए कि technologies?
Technology.
These बोला पहले. अगर दिस बोलते हैं फिर टेक्नोलॉजी, दिस
जी
बोला
आता
तो
है
फिर टेक्नोलॉजी
टेक्नोलॉजी ओके दिस
आएगा।
टेक्नोलॉजी
ठीक है, फिर आपने मैनी पीपल एंड ऑर्गेनाइजेशन बोला, वहां पे भी आपका
ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस
ऑर्गेनाइजेशन आना चाहिए। ये छोटी छोटी आपकी ये इन पे परमिंदर वर्क कर लो, बिकॉज ये होएंगी नहीं तो मिस्टेक यहाँ पे। ठीक है, एसेस
ठीक है मैम
लिटरली लगाओ अपने। ठीक है, आंसर्स आप ठीक दे लेते हो, टू द सेटिस्फैक्शन ऑफ द एग्जामिनर्स आप दे लेते हो। सी इन द फॉलो अप व्हाट
मैं ना एस बोलती रहूंगी सारा दिन।
शिवानी, आप कोई पॉइंट रख रहे हो ना, कॉर्पोरेट का क्या है, व्हाट इज दैट?
Ma'am, that's corporate social responsibilities.
Yes, you
Each
can
and
use that
every,
word here, corporate social
yes,
responsibility. That is volunteering to do something for the society in which these big companies are there. CSR. This is a term.
yes, ma'am.
Essays be based हैं IELTS के. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
And
And
इसके
nowadays,
reading passages भी हैं corporate social responsibility पे. Okay.
yes,
So
ma'am.
this is something you should all know and you can speak over there. Okay. That is.
Ma'am, it is now a law that every company have to have devote some amount from their profit for local upliftment of a standard of living upliftment or school or for gardening. They are uplifting their living standard by devoting their time and money both.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, devoting time and allocating funds.
Allocating for okay,
Allocate funds. Huh?
okay, ma'am.
मनीषा,
मैडम वैसे बैंड थोड़ा सा बैंड बता दीजिए किस पे थी मैं?
फॉलो अप्स तो 7 के बोले आपने, ऐसा नहीं, कॉन्फिडेंस बहुत होता है। 6.5 देखो सब्जेक्टिव है मार्किंग। परमिंदर मैं जो भी बोलूं, अगर ये एस वाली गलती एग्जामिनर इसको सीरियसली लेगा तो फिर 6.5। ओके, हाँ ये आपको वर्क करना है उस पे। ठीक है,
मतलब सिंगुलर के साथ एस नहीं बोलना।
सिंगुलर थर्ड पर्सन सिंगुलर के साथ एस आता है, अनकाउंटेबल के साथ एस आता है ना। ही हैज, शी हैज, ही हैव नहीं बोलते, पर फर्स्ट पर्सन आई के साथ नहीं आता ना एस, थर्ड पर्सन सिंगुलर के साथ आता है। ठीक है, अनकाउंटेबल चीजों के साथ आता है। ठीक है,
हाँ जी।
ओके, मनीषा।
यस मैम।
मैम मेरा बैंक कितना था मैम वॉलंटरी वाली का?
हाँ,
वॉलंटरी वाला आंसर का मैम बैंक कितना था?
अच्छा बोला उसने, आई वुड से 6.5 to 7 था।
अच्छा, ओके मैम।
ओके, मनीषा आर यू देयर?
यस मैम।
हाँ, डिस्क्राइब अ प्रोग्राम और ऐप इन योर कंप्यूटर और फोन। चलो
मैम, ऐप,
हाँ,
इसमें गेम्स वगैरह भी बोल सकते हैं मैम?
जो मर्जी बोलो, ऐप से आजकल तो जो मर्जी बोलो। अच्छा, अभी मेरे से ना एक स्टूडेंट ने बोला था कि वो मेरे को स्पीकिंग देना चाहते हैं, मेरे पास वैसे बाद में टाइम नहीं होता, तो आई वुड इनवाइट दैट पर्सन टू कम आउट नाउ एंड रिमाइंड अस। हाँ
ओके मैम,
जब तक मनीषा याद कर रही है। हाँ, मैं अच्छा स्टार्ट करो, चलो ठीक है
मैम। मैं वो गेम वाला कर लेती हूँ, सॉरी, एक बार थोड़ा दिमाग में थोड़ा नर्वस हो रही हूँ।
टाइम चाहिए आपको?
हाँ जी।
Okay, till that time somebody will answer the follow up questions, we'll ask them.
Yes ma'am.
Which
Yes,
phone
ma'am.
app? Yes, who said yes?
Yes ma'am.
Yes ma'am.
Which phone app is the most popular in your country? Which phone app is the most popular in your country?
Ma'am, may I speak?
Yes.
Okay, there are many phone apps which are popular in our country, and one of them are social media apps like WhatsApp, Facebook, which are seen in everyone's mobile phone and are most popular among the apps.
Yes, very good. Okay, do you think the parents should limit the time their children spend on the phone?
Yes, I think that parents should limit their child of using phone and apps in the phones, because using it oftenly they can harm themselves and they can be addictive of that mobile phone.
Monish.
Oftenly नहीं आना।
Oftenly कोई word ही नहीं है। Okay, addictive नहीं होता, addicted होता है।
Yes ma'am, they are more addicted towards
हाँ,
this
आपको oftenly हटा देना है अपनी डिक्शनरी से।
Yes ma'am.
और addictive नहीं, addicted, ठीक है? They become addicted, ठीक है?
मैम मतलब ये ऑफरली कहीं पे भी यूज नहीं होगा?
Never ever, yes.
Okay ma'am.
Okay. Do you think
Okay.
people depend on the phone apps too much?
Yes, I think that people nowadays are more often dependent towards the app and mobile phones because they are stick to their business. They are more often they try to manage their businesses on mobile phones. Like WhatsApp business is one such example, and many used to sell their products on Facebook.
Okay,
And
आपने used to बोला, अब नहीं बेचते?
many sell their products on.
Yes. मनीष,
many
आपकी
sell
वो बेसिक ग्रामर की गलती है, आपको इनको नोट करना है.
Yes, ma'am.
ओके, और इनको नोट करना है और अपने लिखना है कि इनको अवॉइड करना है. नोट इसलिए करना है कि अवॉइड करना है. ठीक है? हाँ. Do you think some apps will help people to study?
Yes, nowadays there are many apps like Byju's has introduced their own app which helps children of young age, also adults, and their competition practices are also there in that app, and they can study online like we are studying now also.
What are
via Zoom app.
the drawbacks of having too many apps on your phone?
There can be several drawbacks, like the phone can be heated a lot by using all these apps, and the phone can also not work properly, and there may be several issues of that. It may hang and may have several battery drainages.
बैटरी जल्दी
Battery
डिस्चार्ज
can
हो
be
जाती है ऐप से.
Yes, ma'am. They are,
So you
ma'am.
can say that, okay?
Yes,
And
ma'am,
you have to
battery was
recharge your phone.
The
more
phone
often.
can heat up, not be heated up.
phone can heat up है, सही है. Phone can be heated गलत हो जाएगा. ठीक है?
Yes, heat up.
How much time do you spend on these apps?
Irrespective of I think that I don't use a lot of time in spending in these apps.
आप कितना
because
घुमा के क्यों बोल रहे हो? I don't use a lot of time in spending in these. ये ऐसे क्यों बोल रहे हो? I don't use the apps much.
I don't spend, yes ma'am, I don't spend a lot of time in using these apps.
अब मुझे बताओ मोनिश, आपने जो अब बोला है, आपने जो पहला बोला था वो सोच के बोला था ना कि 7 बैंड का बोलना है, और जो अब बोला है वो बिना सोचे बोला, अब 7 बैंड का निकला है, वो 6 का निकला था. ठीक है? आप नेचुरली फ्लो में बोला करो. सिंपल आंसर्स, सोचा मत करो कि हमें ज्यादा अच्छा बोलना है. ओके? How much time do you spend on these apps? I don't spend much time on these apps. ठीक है?
You can also say I'm no different. I also spend a lot of time on these apps. Although I know I know the disadvantages, yet I think I am to some extent addicted to it.
आप कोई ऐसी ऐप का बता सकते हो जिससे आप addicted हो? Okay? I am
like
addicted
WhatsApp.
to. हाँ, WhatsApp है.
I'm
TikTok
very
तो
often
चला
on
गया.
WhatsApp.
हाँ.
Ma'am, TikTok, I'm not a TikTok fan, ma'am.
हाँ. नहीं, पर जब था TikTok तब तो बहुत लोग उसके फैंस थे.
Yes, ma'am, many was there, but I'm not. Yes, ma'am.
All of a sudden it was banned. Wow. Yeah. Okay. Do you look for new apps or just keep using the old ones?
I preferably look for new apps when I have some work related, like if I have to make any PDF file or something like that, then I usually prefer new apps which are more convenient to use and are free to use rather than have to buy some products in that app. So I think that, yes, I often look for the apps.
Do you use free apps or the ones you need to pay for?
I mostly use free apps because they are also very good, and they also have the same qualities which we can have on the buying app, which we can have on
paid
the
app. Buying app,
apps which
paid
are-
app.
Yes, some paid apps because they can be very like we use dictionary, Google Dictionary. It is one such example, and also we can.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
good. देखो मनीष, सिंपल बोलोगे, ज्यादा अपना मतलब बना के बोलने की कोशिश नहीं करोगे तो ज्यादा अच्छे आंसर निकलेंगे आपके मुंह से. और आपकी कुछ सेट मिस्टेक्स हैं, उन पे बस वर्क करना है, उनको कम करने पे. ठीक है?
हम यूज टू वाली मैम ज्यादातर है.
हाँ, वो होती है. ठीक है?
Okay.
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 So now Manisha will speak the cue card. Yes.
Okay, मैम. बस क्यू कार्ड रिपीट कर दो मैम. कौन सा?
Program or app in your computer or phone?
Okay, ma'am. I have many apps in my phone. phone, and some apps are very useful for me, like New Zealand Herald, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and my favorite app is WhatsApp, and it is very useful me for during the lockdown. And I live I live in I live in New Zealand, so I cannot meet my family very often. So, and because of that, I can see my family every day, and I can chat with my friends. So it is a very useful app, and I can also uploaded my picture on my status. And another app के बारे में बोल दूँ मैं? Like and Facebook also is my favorite app. I can get many information from Facebook. Like I do not about the farmers. I belong to a farmer family, and I do not about the farmers are sitting on the protest. So because of Facebook, I know about that. My father also sitting in the protest. Members इतना ही.
Okay, आपने बोला I cannot meet my family. Cannot meet.
Cannot meet. हाँ जी. First form.
Negative के साथ first form आएगा. Can modal verb है. Modal के साथ भी first form आएगा. ठीक है? हाँ. और भी गलतियां थी छोटी-छोटी. आप बोल भी नहीं पाए हो. मनीषा, you have to really work. 2 minutes का अपना matter पहुंचाओ. Simple बोलना है वो आपको पता है. But then you have to speak. You know.
Okay.
ओके
मतलब कि व्हाट्सएप पे इतने वो मिल नहीं रहा था, और क्या बोल सकते हैं व्हाट्सएप
कितना कुछ बोल सकते हो
बोल सकते हो मेरे फ्रेंड ने मुझे दिया था
Amazon here as well, ma'am.
ऑडियो कॉल्स
Amazon ऐप बोल सकते हो फिर आप बोलना शुरू कर देना कल मैंने Amazon से ये खरीदा परसों ये खरीदा था
मैम की पीडीएफ फाइल जो है
डॉक्यूमेंट्स एट टाइम
आज ये देखी थी कल Amazon प्राइम लिया हुआ है सब्सक्रिप्शन उस पे मैं मूवीज देखती हूँ उसमें मैं शॉपिंग करती हूँ अभी मैंने कल ही एक टीवी खरीदा फिर टीवी डिस्क्राइब कर दो
मैं यूज नहीं करती ना मैं सिर्फ व्हाट्सएप यूज करती हूँ तो इसलिए मुझे ज्यादा
आपको चुप नहीं करना आपको बोलना है आप किसको
मैम का जो पीडीएफ है
बोल सकते हो ओके
हाँ जी
मैम हाँ बोलो
मैम उनको व्हाट्सएप बोलना है तो आपके पीडीएफ में व्हाट्सएप का ही दिया है और वो बहुत अच्छा है
हाँ
उसको डिस्क्राइब कर दो
हाँ
कौन से वाला ये कौन से नंबर का क्यू कार्ड था मैम
ये 67
हाँ उसमें दिया है मेरे फ्रेंड ने मुझे बताया मैं 10th में थी उसके बाद नया लॉन्च हुआ
हाँ
उसमें ऑडियो वीडियो कर सकते हैं
हाँ
ओ हाँ हाँ मेरे याद आ गया मैम ने
हाँ जी कोई कुछ बोल रहे हैं कोई हाँ जी बोलो
I have a question ma'am ma'am you are saying that we can talk about the things we have bought ma'am yeah ma'am seriously ma'am
देखो I am not saying we can talk about the things अब मेरी बात नहीं समझो she started with WhatsApp she lost she didn't have ideas she couldn't go on okay now you start with Amazon app and then you start talking about what shopping you did you will not remain quiet
yes ma'am that
ma'am I can speak again yes, I can put in this one like I didn't have that app and I download this app in my 12th class my friend told me about this this is app very useful and we can share our notes on that app
yes
so I download that app in my phone and it is very helpful and I also taught that app my mom and my mom also
now she has become a WhatsApp addict.
Now
I
and she always share
my
picture
mom
with me, and I also share my picture with my mom, and I also connect with my grandfather like that.
Yes. Now my mom doesn't have time to talk to me because she's busy with her friends on WhatsApp. Okay, ऐसे बोल सकते हो ना? हाँ.
Yes, ma'am. Actually, ma'am, आज मुझे ना fever हो रखा है मैं काम से
WhatsApp में
आई
ये
थी,
भी
तो मेरा
बोल सकते हैं ना
दिमाग
कि रिसेंटली
हाँ चलो अभी आज की स्पीकिंग क्लास के बाद अभी रीडिंग क्लास है अनुपम will conduct the reading class she has prepared the reading which I shared yesterday have you all prepared that reading done that reading
yes ma'am
yes ma'am
yes ma'am
you can
मैम ये
have
नए
it as
टीचर हैं रीडिंग के
she is my younger sister and also my sister-in-law I have requested her till the time my sister is here Okay, and she's
Okay,
very
ma'am.
good and very, very good, much better than me in teaching.
Not
Got
better than
lot
you.
of experience.
So no, I'm new to Zoom, although I'm in teaching for the last 25 years. And for IELTS, Mrs. Kiranpreet is my mentor.
Okay, but she's new to Zoom. But if she faces any problem, there are so many Zoom experts here. They can always guide you. Okay, tech experts. All these young people are tech experts, technophiles. You know, technophiles. They will-
Techno
Yes. Okay.
Okay. Should I log off or should again, because I am logged in with my ID?
Yes, you can log in with the Bakar ID, and
Okay.
then you can give them a 5-minute break also.
Yeah, so we'll take a 5 minutes break. So I'll get on with it. Huh?
Ma'am, with same ID password?
Yes, same ID
Same
password.
ID password.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank
Bye.
you.
Bye. Bye.
Ma'am,
Bye.
could you send me the reading passage again? Because I don't have.
Okay, I'll send it again.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.